Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set time in Toyota Axio, updated. Press and hold the clock button, then turn the tuning knob to change hours and minutes, and press set to confirm. Start with the car in ACC or on mode so the display responds. Use short presses to move faster or hold for single-step adjustments. If your model has steering wheel controls, use audio menu options to reach the clock settings. Test by restarting the car. Many Toyota Axio versions offer alternate ways to set the clock depending on the head unit and trim. Navigate to the Setup or System menu, select Clock or Time, then adjust hours and minutes with the touchscreen or knob. Use steering wheel controls if available to avoid reaching the dash while driving. If you see AM or PM prompts, toggle accordingly for accurate 12-hour display. Confirm changes and check the time after ignition cycle. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more tips coming. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that masks old car smells and makes setting the clock feel more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the clock will not set or reverts, start with a simple power cycle of the radio and ignition. Check battery health and the radio fuse, since a weak battery can cause time loss when parked. A blank clock might indicate a blown fuse or loose connector at the head unit. Try a factory reset in the system menu if available, and consult a dealer if firmware or hardware replacement seems needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.